Hi, this video is going to be on subjects and their relationship to the rest of the sentence. So for this first sentence, we have the subject being we, and it says, we was going to buy a new house. Now, this sounds incorrect, and that's because it is. Instead of was, with we should be using were. And this makes it grammatically correct. But instead, if our subject was I instead, we would still use was. So this is an important distinction to make. So were is for plural, so like we or they, so we say they were. And was is singular, so I or she was. And then we also have another important rule with our subjects when it comes to saying and I or and me. So we have the sentence, Louis and I had tea. Now we say Louis and I at the start of the sentence because Louis and I are the subject of that sentence. And this differs in this second sentence. My friends all play football apart from Amari and me. And in this case, my friends is the subject, and this is why we say Amari and me instead of Amari and I, because they are the object rather than the subject. Thanks for listening.